Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar gained renewed momentum after Friday's non-farm payrolls number was released. According to the US Bureau of Labour Statistics on Friday, the December payrolls number slipped from 162,000 forecast to 145,000 jobs. The unemployment rate, however, still remains steady at a 50-year low at 3.5%. Into this week, the self-proclaimed tariff man, President Trump, is looking to sign this Wednesday the so-called Phase 1 deal that includes protection for American intellectual property, food and farm goods. From a technical point, though, we may get to see a break above this level of 69.15, but towards the resistance of 69.55, I just outline it here, where we saw the rejection here, should find the bears harboring. And I do expect to see the market reverse and eventually pull the trigger at 68.45, which in turns will give us a target of 67.70. The euro has found a little bit of support at the moment at 110.80 for the start of this week. After the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, slipped away from the highs on Friday of 97.28 after, as I mentioned, a slightly weaker job rolls number that came in the US. From a technical point, I do anticipate any advances beyond 111.45 as a sell opportunity, and therefore above this level would see a defense come back into play around 111.80 to 112.10, and I do expect to see the market drop back towards the bottom side of the range and eventually reach its target of 109.55 to 85. Well, the bulls a little bit stronger, as you can see, now looking towards this level of 109.65. It is anticipated that further tests towards this level should fail, and I am viewing the market eventually turn away from this point and tackling the 108.80 support. Unless we get a break above 110, then the bears should still continue to control this point of the top side of the range. The pound is somewhat weaker and now looking towards a target of 129.1030. It is viewed, though, towards this level should find support, but a break beneath this level of 129.1030 would give further scope down towards the region of 128.45. Gold, since plummeted away from the near 7-year highs, has tackled the level of 1,540 and respected it. At this point in time, although it did break 50 on Thursday, Friday, this left me neutral. But that being said, do be on your guard, because until we get a break on the top side of 1,565, further downside pressure could be seen. If we see a move through 38, then this could see a drop down towards the region of 1,520, where I believe the bulls will come back to defend this region. And oil has slipped a little bit further and still looking towards this target of $57 a barrel. I believe from there we should see the bulls retaliate and come back to see a rebound and eventually look back towards the top side of the range, which is somewhere around 61 to 64. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report and hope you enjoy the great start to this new day.